What are you two doing? Agi. Ay, ay. Ay, ay. Pastilan. It's mine. Yuki Boy. Oh, yeah, yeah. Fin, that's not just the only for you. His fan's guarding whatever it is. Oh, it's a catnip. He's guarding the catnip. He's guarding the catnip. It's unlocked. That's funny. Fin, what are you doing?
I took a nap in the shed, though. No one cares. I did. When? Today. Oh.
What you doing?
Go take a nap. On ground? Yeah. The ground is slipping.
It's a catnip toy.
I didn't lay on the ground. Oh. Why were you in the shed?
You okay, boy?
Then I didn't feel like it, and I got cold, and I
Uh-oh.
went to the river, got stuck in the... She was cold, so she went to the river. No, it was cold, but I went to the river. She's a hashtag girl boss. And I was at the river, right? The water got... I said, no.
Agoy. Ay, ay.
Yeah. When's Michael's first basketball game? What? Can you listen to Michael's first basketball game? January 3rd or something. Yes, it is.
But I'm not able to play because
Be nice, Fin.
What? He missed out Friday. And you have to have a certain amount of practices. Why did you miss Friday?
Ay, ay.
And also it's too late.
Ay, ay, ay. Pastilan. Fin, share.
What?
Let him share, Fin. Sven and Olaf is fighting over catnip.
get out of the bedroom, guys. Mommy and me only, huh?
They're both fighting over catnip.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, I forgot that's in there. I don't know what all this is in your jacket. But...
What's wrong with you, boy? Look at him. What's wrong with you, boy? Boy? What's going on with you?
Can you help me section the rotisserie chicken, please?